Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants have blood? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. When ants are mistakenly crushed, a white or yellowish fluid releases from the ants' bodies. Ants are invertebrates having a different circulatory system from vertebrates. Ants do not have blood in their bodies. Instead, hemolymph fluid flows in their open circulatory system. It appears yellowish or green in color because hemolymph does not have red blood cells and hemoglobin. Moreover, it contains hemocyanin, which transports only nutrients, minerals and ions. The hemolymph is rich in amino acids and does not transport oxygen, unlike blood in vertebrates. Ants do not contain blood vessels and the circulatory fluid passes all tissues and organs directly. It helps maintain homeostatic equilibrium and provide resistance against high temperature and pressure. These insects have a heart but do not contain lungs and transport oxygen through the tracheal system. Ants have a circulatory system like us, but their system is open, unlike vertebrates. The vertebrates have a closed circulatory system and blood flows within small tubes. The hemolymph in insects has direct contact with all body tissues and cells. The ants do not have lungs, so the gaseous exchange occurs through spiracles, which are small holes in their bodies. Moreover, the circulatory fluid of ants do not transport oxygen to the body parts. Instead, the oxygen enters through spiracles and passes from the trachea. An open circulatory system means that the ends of dorsal aorta present in the head and tail region are open. It allows free movement of hemolymph into hemocoel. In addition, it plays a dual function in the blood lymphatic system in vertebrates. Ants do not contain blood, but blood-like material circulates in their bodies. Moreover, this fluid is watery in texture and is very light in weight. This blood-like fluid is hemolymph that does not contain hemoglobin. The blood of ants does not have hemoglobin and no red blood cells are present in their circulatory fluid. In the vertebrates, the red color of blood is due to the presence of tiny packages or red blood cells in large quantity. In comparison, the absence of these cells result in the yellowish and greenish appearance of the hemolymph. The hemolymph carries nutrients and minerals to the body parts efficiently, but it does not transport oxygen. Instead, it can reach the body tissues through a dorsal vessel. Ants do not have blood vessels because their circulatory system is open type. Instead, they include a single aorta in the middle of their body that connects their rear body with the heart. Moreover, there are no blood vessels in the ants to separate the oxygenated blood from deoxygenated. Instead, they have an open system where the circulatory fluid can reach all body parts directly. In addition, the hemolymph fills the insect's cavity, which is a hemocoel, and then this fluid is pushed toward the heart. The fluid flows in the ants when they move their bodies to locate a food source or water. Overall, while ants do not have blood in the same sense as mammals, they have a fluid called hemolymph that serves similar functions. Hemolymph plays a crucial role in nutrient distribution, waste removal and immune responses in ants, and it is an essential component of their circulatory system. Thanks for watching the video.